Shubho was wearing his dark glasses and he was driving his car and my son said, Baba, there's Al Pacino. And what? Where? I said, hey, that's Shubho. Hey, Shubho, hey, hang on, here, and all that. You know him? How come his name is Shubho? I said, his name is Shubho and he is from Bengali, Association of Dallas. I mean, basically, that's where we are coming to. And he just freaked out. কালকে শুভর বাড়িতে একটা ডিনার করলাম আমরা, সেখানে ওকে জোর করে চশমা পরিয়ে ছবি তুলেছি সবাই। And I think the next thing they are going to do is take a signature from Shubho as Al Pacino. And thanks to Shubho, I'll tell you, just let me speak one more minute. Thanks to Shubho's trust and faith and love and belief that Romeo Nobin can do a performance for you, that we are worth it, that we are here today. Thank you, Shubho.